Got rejected for a loan? Yeah, that stings. But a loan rejection doesn't mean you're stuck forever. In this video, I'll show you how to rebuild your credit after a loan rejection so you can come back stronger and get approved next time. First, find out why your application was denied. Lenders usually provide an adverse action notice explaining the main reasons, like low credit score, high debt, or limited credit history. Knowing the exact reason helps you fix the right problem. Next, check your credit report carefully. Look for errors, incorrect late payments, or accounts that don't belong to you. Even small mistakes can hurt your approval chances. If you spot errors, dispute them immediately. Correcting mistakes can improve your score faster than you expect. One of the most common reasons for rejection is high credit utilization or too much outstanding debt. Focus on paying down balances, especially on credit cards. Try to keep utilization below 30%. From this point forward, make every payment on time. Payment history is the largest factor in your credit score. Setting up automatic payments can help you avoid future mistakes. After a rejection, avoid applying for multiple loans right away. Each hard inquiry can lower your score slightly. Instead, improve your credit profile first, then apply when you're in a stronger position. If your credit file is thin, use existing credit responsibly. Make small purchases and pay them off in full. Over time, consistent positive activity rebuilds trust with lenders. So, a loan rejection isn't the end. It's feedback. Understand the reason, fix the issues, lower your debt, build strong payment habits, and give your credit time to improve. Stay patient and strategic, and your next application can have a very different result. If this helped, hit like and check out more credit rebuilding tips. Planning to apply